baby finch is little bigger than a bug. She flies in front of me alongside her mother, and they look real sweet, and it makes me think of my mama too. Thank you for bringing sunglasses. And I wonder if there's something she'd like to do. I cry when she cries at this song. Sometimes I meet her and we go out for lunch. Sometimes I visit when I'm crying for a hug, and she holds me tight and she says, "Hey Chuck, it will be alright." When she says it, I believe her too. Oh mama, I'm so proud of you. A cockatoo is little different than a biker. 3 fly out of a tree and scare the life out of me, and then we're all gliding down the road. And that's an e-bike gang, those 3 birds with us 2 in tow. My darling's gorgeous as red rosella. Our love is like a pair of pink eyes, and you should see the way he lifts the room with his guitar later when he plays tonight. And his voice, his storytelling eyes, his many charms. Oh darling, I'm so proud to know ya. Now the bike path twists around the Dixon shops, and I'm learning not to hold up traffic, and I'm learning to read the patterns, so I don't go around causing havoc. The mama finch is little bigger than a bug. She watches me while I hang my washing up, and it makes me feel like I'm in a watercolor scene. These days are feeling better than I ever could have even dreamed. Thank you. That's Brand's